I came expecting an extremely harsh condition, right? But you know what?
No.
It's very comfortable.
No.
It's very comfortable. And I guess it's comfortable, but yet it's moving with the roads. There's no loss of traction.
Yeah. The RS is more rush. Goes to drive the 911 RS 4.0, which is the 997 closure model. I drove the 991 GT2 RS.
Yep.
I drove the 991 GT3, both PDK and manual versions. So I built all those, and then coming back and comparing to my 2012 997.2 GT3. This is very, I would say, if there's any one of those that is suitable for daily use, not that any of them are, but if I had to pick one, this would be second to the BDK 991.1.
But why is it whenever you go online and you look at the GT3s, all of them say the same thing? All of them say that this is the sweet spot for GT3. The 997 GT3 is the sweet spot, and nothing else comes close. Everybody feels the same opinion.
I think for various reasons. One thing that a lot of people don't talk about is the size. After the 997, everything went crazy already.
Yep.
All the 911s got bigger, got longer, wider. I had a 991.1, so I know it. I always park in the same parking bay, so I know the difference. How easy it is to get in and out. That's one thing. The other thing is the cabin is a bit more conducive to a sports car.
Yeah. It's much tighter in here, isn't it?
Yes, a lot of modern supercars or sports cars, they've got a console.
Yep.
The 991 has a console going up like that. This is open. It's like the classic sports car. Totally open, just your gear shifter.
Yep.
Right.
Automatic kind of car.
But talking about 997s, right? I've always believed, because I had a 997.1 and it was a Tiptronic.
Yep.
And you speak to like younger people now, they go, oh, Tiptronic, that can't possibly beat the BDK.
Yeah.
Well, they're right. The BDK obviously is a better gearbox. But don't underestimate the Tiptronic, because it was one of the fastest cars for me out of a lot of the 911s I had going up the Genting run.
Yeah.
I felt the Tiptronic really worked really well. I mean, in the rain, I felt that Tiptronic was very conducive for gear changing in the rain, as opposed to say the BDK. The BDK obviously is very good, but the Tiptronic has a certain way that it glides into the gear that gives you confidence when you change it down. When you're slowing down, changing down in heavy rain, for example.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I don't know whether I explained it right.
Yeah, I think you're right. I think when it's as violent as a PDK, you tend to lose. There's body shift happens, right? Body shift happens when you get to downshift.
Yeah.
The car loses drive protection a bit, especially in the rain, because the car doesn't understand. But in the electronic, probably it's smoother. You are less likely to lose control.
Because it's slower, I guess. It's
slower,
not so instant.
Yeah. On a track, perfect environment, PDK is better.
Yeah.
But on real environments like Genting, raining season,
Of course, I love the PDK.
Yeah.
Now, if I was to buy another car, it would always have to be a DCT. I don't think I could go to anything else, any other kind of automatic gearbox. Whether it's SMG or F1 gearbox, whatever. Those are way behind. Left behind by PDK or DCT.
Yeah.
So sorry, guys. The road to Port Dickson is kind of straight, right?
Yeah. But that sound it makes, oh my god. Master engine is just, there's a bit of a rawness to the engine, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
It's creamy and smooth, but at the same time there's a bit of a jagged edge to the sound it makes. And it's not all the exhaust, it's the engine sound itself.
Yeah. When I did my color explosion tour of Thailand in 2019. See guys, every year in December I do a 1 month drive or ride on a motorcycle around Thailand. I've been doing that for years, every year, except for the COVID years, so I missed out. But the last time I did it was in this car, and we attached a microphone to the number plate just above the exhaust,
Oh,
and we captured that. It's on my Facebook,
okay.
you know, and it just captured the exhaust sound really perfectly, like it was screaming, beautiful, with no other wind noise, nothing. It was just great because our microphone had the sponge
Okay.
thing, you know, what air filter, whatever you want to call it.
Windsocks, is it?
Yeah,
Windsocks,
something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's 190. Like it's like cruising, like most cars do at 110. I mean, back then when we were talking, we were just doing 190, but
Oh, really?
yeah, we were doing 190, but it felt like 110, 120.
Yeah, exactly. You know,
Yeah.
it's crazy. Beautiful day.
Okay, this is double clutch.
Okay.
Fifth gear. Look my leg, right?
Yeah.
Fifth gear. See?
Yeah.
Okay. The thing about this car is when I did that just now,
Hmm?
how fast do you think we were traveling?
150,
Huh?
150.
240.
Whoa! Honest to God, I thought it was 150. I'm not making this up.
We were 200. We were going 238
Yeah.
when I did the double clutch.
So at that speed, if you like change gear in the improper manner, the car shifts, and yeah, it might be quite
Yeah.
disastrous.
Heel and toe is only when you want to brake and change down at the same time. Or sometimes you don't want to, you don't need to brake. So it's not called heel and toe, it's just straight in. So you just flip. So fifth the floor. Just a quick flip. Okay? And even going up, I double the clutch fifth. Flips.
Yeah.
Can't feel it. Okay, now I got a brake, so I'll hit it toe. I can go for sixth. Fifth. Then up, double the clutch.
In 1.5 kilometers,
Wow.
the exit on the left.
Okay. Not that I need to, but just to illustrate. Okay,
Yeah.
well, it's moving now.
Yeah.
Okay, like now I don't have to brake.
Yeah.
So I still want to be going down. I want to change from six to
Take the
fifth.
exit on the left.
Just brake, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, this is because I'm braking. Okay, I know this highway.
In 600 meters, keep right to the fork.
Okay, let me show you something really high tech that I've got.
Yeah.
Okay, for touch and go.
I want to buy one too.
It's very high tech, this thing.
Supercar guys, that's what they do.
Yeah. Supercar high tech contraption here, you see. It gives me Michael Jordan arms.
Keep right to the fork. Then, turn right.
Why? If you look at my feet, it'll be that way and like that.
Yeah.
But now I'm gonna go up, double the clutch. So the weight goes in front. Every time you change the G-force or the weight, you're unbalancing the car, which is not good for fast driving. That's basically it. That's
It's all about yin and yang, being positive, being in that
Balance.
center balance.
Yes, it's all about balance. It's all about transition of the weight from the back to the front being gradual, not too much. Let me illustrate it. 6th gear. Now when you brake or when you want to slow down for a corner, physics automatically transfers the weight from the back to the front. It's just going to do it anyway.
When you brake, the weight goes to the front, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't matter how you brake. You cannot avoid the weight transfer from the back to the front. You can't avoid it.
Yeah.
But what heel and toe does is that it allows you to make the transition of the weight from the back to the front a bit more gradual. So if you have a weight transfer that's more gradual, your car stays more stable.
Ah,
And if your car stays more stable, you're more in control. You're more in control, you're faster.
so it's like almost like the braking helps. The
That's the
braking helps
principle.
to push the weight to the front, but the acceleration pushes the back, and I guess they both sit down and uncircles lesser.
Balance, weight transfer balance gives you control.
Yeah.
Yeah, control gives you speed. that's basically it. So you gotta make sure that the weight transfer is gradual. I'm going straight.
Very straight, yeah. You see?
So today, Thana, you're gonna be hearing all kinds of weird stories about car touring and driving in all kinds of places.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah. So, okay, so we're here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, we're only 1 hour 15 minutes early.
Fantastic.
1.5 hours early.
Yeah.
Turn right.
Do you want to go to town and have breakfast?
Okay.
Because if we're here now, I don't know whether
Sure.